Hi friends, welcome back in the series of computer vision. So today we have another case study that is on object detection using Yolo. So basically we will be using Yolo V5. Before starting video, would again request you to please do like, share and please subscribe the channel because we need more motivation to keep working on the content. So let's get started. So first we are importing PyTorch library as well as its dependencies from official site of PyTorch. If you have installed it, then it is good. If not, you can follow these steps so you can easily install the PyTorch as well as the required dependency. So here we are using this link to install the PyTorch, then the conda install of Torch Vision, right? And dependency for this you can use the Ultralytics Yolo V5 from this requirement txt, right? Now first importing the necessary library, first cb2 as OpenCV, then torch of course for PyTorch and PIL to work with the images. Now load the pre-trained Yolo v5 model by specifying a pre-trained parameter as true. So what we do, so simply torch.hub.load. So we call this model, that is Ultralytics Yolo v5 model, right? So here we are using the Yolo v5s and pre-trained equals to true. That means we will be using this model. Now downloading the images, so you can use any link to add your image here. If you have any image locally stored, you can simply give the path of the image. Now what we are doing is we are opening this image 1 and image 2, right? So here let's do the visualization. So first we are doing import matplotlib.pyplot, so basically for plotting. Then we are importing seaborns, right? Again for plotting it nicely. Now plt.image show, so this is our image 1, you can see here, and if we do that plt.image show, that is our image 2. Now create a batch list of images. So image list equals to, so we are storing these image 1 and image 2 into a image list. Then inference obtained by passing above image to pre-trained model object. So inference is equals to Yolo model image list size equals to 640. So we are passing the size right into the model, and because this Yolo v5, that the model we are using accept 640 by 640, so that's why we need that size and passing this image list. Now inferences, so if you see that, so models.common.detection at, we got this parameter. Now print the inference using function. So inferences.print, so you can see for image 1 it is 340 by 511, so 2 persons here, and image 2 340 by 510, 7 persons here and 1 tie here and 2 laptop here. So let's do with the image 1. So it is saying okay 2 persons here, which is correctly detected. Then 7 person, 1 tie and 2 laptops, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 person, right? 1 tie, this tie is detected, and 2 laptops. So 1 laptop is detected as this one that is holding here, and second laptop might be it is detecting this one, although I'm not able to see it clearly, but when you do it you can zoom the image, right, to get it better. So looks like a laptop, but yeah, if it is detected, so that is good for our case, right? Now create batch size list of again image 1 image 2. So inference obtained by passing above image to pre-trained model. So yeah, so we have done here. Now inference.show, so here inference.save, so we are saving these 2 images into our runs detect and export 3 directory. Now inferences dot xy, so at 0, so we can show the image prediction using tensor. So these are the predictions, right? So this is for the first image and the accuracy is 94%, and this is the second image and the accuracy is 90%. So these are basically the image coordinates, we can say, that we get here, right? Now also we can represent the result with pandas. So of course we can do inference.pandas.xy 0. So you can see that for 0, so this is basically x min, y min, x max, y min. This is the confidence as 94%. 0 is basically a class that is represented towards person, right? Similarly here 1, so all these things, and 0 as person. So yeah guys, this was all about this YOLO. I hope you got the better understanding with the YOLO, how we can easily import or how we can easily do the testing with some pre-trained model. Yes, of course we can also train our model using transfer learning, where we will be using pre-trained model. We will see them in the next video. Till then, all the best, have a good time, and please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video.